welcome or welcome back to my channel. So, I've been listening to Day6 since 2018 ata yun. Like, after they had their first show here in Manila, I got curious about them and I started listening to their songs. And actually, it was because of my friend Kesh. So, hi Kesh. Ang tag dito. Lagi niya kasing binabanggit dati yung D6. So, ayun, I got curious about them and chinek ko na lang din yung sila sa Spotify and until now, I love their songs as in. And, ayun, I still regret not going to their show last year, November. So, sabi ko, lalo na kay Ate Asala, sabi ko, kailangan talaga next concert nila dito, punta na kami, as in. So, ayun, I am a huge fan of their songs, like their music, but aaminin ko, wala pa ako napapanood na shows na nag-guest. I know, meron ako napanood na isang episode ng Weekly Idol nung nag-guest sila doon. Pero, aside from that, wala na. Then, meron lang ako napanood na ibang, like, vlog. Vlog ba tawag? Yes. Like, yung vlog nila when they went to Japan for a show. Parang, ay, hindi yung mga manok. Pero, ayun, wala akong ganong alam about them. All I know is, I love their songs, I love their music, and ayun. Pero, ano pala, I love, I love yung podcast ni Jay sa Dive Studios, and napanood ko rin yung Yongki broadcast ni Yongki, syempre, di ba? And of course, Yongwon, and yung kay One Pill din, and ayun lang yung napapanood ko, pero ayun, I love their songs. So, yun nga, they came back today with a new album, pero as a unit lang, since si Jay and si Sungjin, they are on a break. Like, they're taking a break from the promotions, from D6 promotions, kasi ang alam ko, si Jay, active pa rin siya sa Dive Studios and also sa 88 Rising. Tama ba? I think active pa rin si Jay doon, especially sa Dive Studios. Pero sa Day6 promotions, yung tatlo na ngayon yung nag-come back. Yung as a unit called Even of Day, and yung tatlo members ay si Yongki, si Wonpil, and si Dawn. So, ayun, they released an album, and for this video, we are going to watch the music video for their title track called Where the Sea Sleeps. And yeah, before we start, please make sure to click the subscribe button and the bell button beside it so that you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, this is Where the Sea Sleeps by Even of Day. Wait, so animated yung music video. Like, kaya ba yung thumbnail is yung Denimals? Wait, okay. Let's go. Yung mga kamay ng Denimals. Yan yung kay Wonpil, diba? Then kay Dawn. Wait lang. This is so cool. Wait, this is so good. Cute! Oh my god. Wait! Oh my god! Oh my god, yung kay Jay and yung kay Seungjin yun, diba? Like si Jay and I forgot the name. Yung kay Seungjin. Like, diba? Jay. K yung K. Il K1 Il. Then Don kay Don. And yung kay Seungjin, oh my god. Wait lang, wait. Wait, kita malaman ko. Wait, I know it. Animals. Oh my god, wait. So sorry. Diba? Bang. Tama, diba? Okay, bang. Sabi ko na. Bang. Okay, let's go. Wait lang. Nandun din sila. Nandito din sila sa may studio. Okay. Cute. Wait lang. Yung Denima. Kasi yung si Dowan, hawak si Songjay, tsaka si Jay. Si Songjin, tsaka si Jay. Wait lang. Wait lang. Hawakan niya pa din. Wait. Was so beautiful. It was so good. Oh my god. Grabe, the music video. I didn't expect that. Kasi, oh my god. Kasi diba, parang, like, it's an animated music video. So, I didn't expect it. I didn't expect that to be that na sobrang, oh my god, sobrang nakakaiyak siya. Kahit hindi ako umiyak. Pero, oh my god, the song, I love the song. I feel like the song was written for the band and also for the My Days. Like, oh, I love it. Oh, tapos grabe guys. Grabe the part wherein Dawn, oh my god, alam ko na yung character niya. Dawn was holding J and Bang. Tapos yung kay Dawn pa, di ba Dawn is the MacNay? And yung part na yun, parang he looks so scared. But at the same time, hawak ko niya pa rin yung because I love the song. I love their voice. Oh my god, I love the song. Oh, okay, mahal ko sila. Wow. Pero oh my god, grabe. Grabe, ang ganda ng song. Grabe. Also, the music video talaga. Grabe yung emotions dun sa music video. Hindi ko talaga in-expect yun. Grabe. So, ngayon parang gusto ko na ng Digimons. Gusto ko nung stuffed toy nila. Pero, hindi tayo papatalo sa oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it so much. I love the song. Like, the lyrics, oh my god. Grabe. Grabe. Ang ganda. Hindi naman sa bias ako, pero lahat kasi na songs ng Day6 gusto ko. Like, for me, wala akong tapon na songs nila. Wait, may grammar ko ba there? I'm not being biased, pero ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda. As in, got DAY6. Same. From the song to the music video. So, syempre yung voice nila. Pero, grabe talaga. The music video and the song, I love it. Ulit-ulit na ako. Nakailang I love it kaya ako dito. Pero, I love it so much. So, ayun lang. That's it for this video. Kasi wala na ako masabi kundi I love it eh. Kasi, yun lang naman. I love it. So ayun. That's it for this video. Make sure to watch the music video and to listen to their songs. I swear, you won't regret it. Music video. Okay, I love them. I love them. Pero yeah, lalagay ko yung link, the music video, and also yung link to their album sa description box below. So make sure to check them out if hindi nyo pa sila napapanood and napapakinggan, then please. Ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga ko. Pero, ayun. Nasaan na ba ako? That's it for this video. Comment down below if you have any suggestions on what should I do on my next video. Hopefully, ma-upload ko to agad. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!